My name is Ivan Duick. We farm and ranch in northern Mexico, north central Mexico. We are in the middle of the winter. This is a cereal rye pasture that we are developing these calves on. On average, they are about 10 months old. We have a couple of 22-month-old bred heifers in here, and I keep them on this green grass for better development. They are still developing, and they are also due to calve here in about 2 months' time, 2.5 months. So it is very important for them to still be on very good feed. Normally at this time of the year we would only have dry grass. We're always dry, and our stockpiled grasses are all dried down. So it would not be sufficient feed on protein and energy to still be finishing out and growing body-wise, and also getting ready to calve here in a couple of months. Normally I like to have high grass, but in the winter time this is a type of grass that does not grow tall, and so it's always green, fresh regrowth. And what is important to do is, when you have green, fresh grass, is to have dry hay available for them to kind of regulate their rumens. Fresh green grass is a problem for them to have the runs, and some dry supplemented hay kind of regulates their rumen for the green, fresh grass to be more beneficial to them. So the minerals that we gave them is very important. It is high in phosphorus, which is very important for reproduction for later in life, especially for the heifers that we retain as replacements, for them to breed well and reproduce. The replacement heifers that will stay are from cows that I know have produced a calf every year. It is very important to select your heifer calves out of cows that calve every year. A cow that does not have a calf every year is an expensive hobby instead of a profit. The other thing is, if you have only dry grass, it is important to supplement with a protein source. You can get a protein supplement source from distilled dried grains or leftovers from soybeans, if that is something that is available to you. But any source of protein is important when you are on dry grass. We are on green, fresh grass, so it is important for me to supplement with some dry hay. What you'll want to look for in a replacement heifer is something that fleshes easy. This is a good example of these two heifers here, especially this one. She has a deep body, she is wide, and she will make a good cow. I know her mother has rebred every year, and I can already tell that she's fleshing easily, even with minimal protein inputs, just grass. It is very important for them to have clean, fresh water. It helps with everything. It helps with overall health. It helps with their digestion of feed properly. It is very important for them to have clean, fresh water at all times, and close up, not to be too far away. It makes a big difference for overall health, and a lot more feed efficient if they have water close by to their feed, to not have to walk off what they were grazing on. She was born in the year 24 in April. So now in April she's going to turn 2 years old, and she's due to calve right around her 2nd birthday.